In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to your Shopify store 2025. By the end, you'll have the Pinterest app added to your Shopify store so you can showcase products, sync your catalog, and set yourself up for more discoverability on Pinterest. I'll keep it simple, clear, and focused on what you need to click and why it matters. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. A desktop browser works best, and having a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. If you don't see certain options later, it may be due to store permissions, so make sure you're using an account with access to manage apps. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Apps. This is the central place where you add tools and integrations that extend your store's capabilities. Using the Apps area keeps everything organized and makes it easy to manage or update integrations later. Inside the Apps section, locate the Search or Find Apps option and enter Pinterest. You're looking for the official Pinterest app listing, which typically mentions features like product catalog syncing and the Pinterest tag. Checking the listing details helps you confirm you're choosing the correct app and gives you a quick preview of what it can do for your store. Click the Pinterest app listing to open it. On this page, you can skim the overview, read what the app does, and see what data it needs to function properly. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify may show a permissions screen explaining what access the app requires. Review the information and then confirm the install to proceed. You might see a brief loading screen or a prompt to continue within the app interface. That's normal and just part of completing the ad process. Once the app is installed, feel free to explore it. You'll typically see an overview area and options related to product syncing, performance insights, and settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where to return when you want to manage your Pinterest connection or check on catalog status. If you ever need to find it again, just return to your Shopify admin and open the Apps section. Your Pinterest app will be listed there. That's it. You opened Shopify, went to Apps, searched for Pinterest, clicked the listing, installed it, and explored the app. If you found this helpful, follow along for more quick, clear tutorials to keep your store running smoothly.